How to fix this app cannot run on your PC or on Windows? Step 1. Check if the app matches your Windows version. Click Settings, click System Settings, scroll down, click About Settings, search for System Type, close it, open up browser, go to the official website of Microsoft, download and install the latest version, click it, click Depends on your device. Once the download complete after, install it, click Install. Successfully installed, close it. Step 2. Repair corrupted system files. Search for command prompt, right click, click Run as administrative and type the following text: sfc space slash scan now. Click enter. Wait for some time. It's verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. After completing, next command exit and restart your device. Thank you.